Hello Odooers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. In the last video we looked about how to create appointment as a receptionist role and how to create only case. Just view this. But in this video we will see about as a beautician role how to handle patient case. So let's see about that. Here already log in with this a receptionist role, but here need to log in with this beautician role. So log in with this Ram Purohit. So log in as a beautician. Now go to your app Beauty, and when you go to this page, then display here your generated case number is the ad with patient name Volter, beautician is a Ram Purohit, 4:30 June, and with status is only just draft state, and here this 3 is already created. So now open it this Volter Dian. So display here this in details and display here in this draft state. Now easily move into this diagnosis. So you can easily move or check here this for diagnosis state, and now easily move to the treatment. So this patient have need to this left eye and right eye for. So this generated case number is a 8, patient name, beautician name and date for this 30 June. Now you can easily generate this summary. So display here this move in treatment state and your treatment for this right eye and left eye, and status only this diagnosis. Now let's see. And if you want to view just case, then easily use this view case button. Now go to this case and now open it and display here this all treatments, and also attach here this to treatment. Now open it and here need to add this treatment for this, and another is a skin booster. Now this left eye is your main treatment, but in this what to need. So fill this. Again go to your case. Now you can easily add diagnosis for this. It means just taste here. So here this test is as a diagnosis, test date, beautician name and patient. If you want to write here this test result, then easily write here this like a successful, and now add diagnosis. When jump state to the diagnosis stage, then easily attach or display here, and also link with this diagnosis test. Now easily add here this prescription. Now select here this state like a 30 and easily add here this medicine. Dose 1, frequency 1, duration 5 hours, and now create this and display here above linked with this prescription 1, and also display here this in date, number, patient name, beautician and date 30 June. Now this your added treatment for the right eye and left eye, but it's not done, and when you try to done this here, then display here this validation. First of all, this pending treatment is need to done this 13 and 12 treatment. So here just I only 1 and try to done this, then also display this pending treatment 12. So here need must to all treatments done, then automatically move this case in done state. And now provided here this create invoice, it now you can easily create invoice for this case. And now display here your invoice is created. Now open it and display here in this draft state. So in this video we looked at how to handle patient case as a beautician role. So next video we'll see how to do fully payment for this case as a receptionist role. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.